Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. Quant is continuing to push. It's sort of consolidating in this target area here. We are still in the target area for this fifth wave after we completed here an Elliott wave triangle ABCDE in a wave 4, and we are here in wave 5 now. Now we can already count 5 waves. Things that I do not know, that nobody knows, are these 5 waves already complete? Is this only the first wave of the fifth wave? So that is where, you know, the sort of sentence comes into play. The trend is your friend until the end. This exists for a reason. In the previous video I showed you this channel. As long as we are in this channel, I think generally the uptrend is in place. A first indication that the uptrend is over for me would be to break out of this target area, which is at $151, to break to the downside from there, and then also to take out the wave 4 low at $146 US. With this fifth wave, we have a good chance to complete this wave 1, which would then move over into a wave 2. This is where, when we reach that area, I am going to scale in, and then we'll get, participate in the wave 3 to the upside. Overall, for the larger wave 3, I'm looking at the moment at around $265, possibly higher. Now there is one thing I need to mention, which is that this wave 1 could extend a bit higher. This will be the case, and I will be able to confirm that if we push above that $167 level. That would be the case if we had here it is possible to count this move as a 1-2-1-2, and then this wave 3 would then only be finished here. There will be another wave 4, and then we push higher in wave 5. We need to be ready for that, and that indeed we only had is the subwaves then. Here wave 1, here a wave 2, here a wave 3, then here the wave 4, and pushing higher now in wave 5. By the way, let me just change that to this yellow wave count. Yep. This is a possibility. Yeah, this is a possibility. But even then, at some point here, we should find some resistance and would then move over in wave 4. We need to establish that when we are able to, when we know where wave 3 peaked. We don't see that yet, we don't know it yet. We need to be ready that at any moment in time this could peak here. Let's say it peaked already, which I cannot confirm at this stage. But if we draw the fibs, we would then say we would expect a retracement in this fourth wave to at least the 23.6% fib level, possibly all the way down to 130. Now, I would still personally think about profit taking already. Usually from an Elliott wave point of view, also from my experience, taking profits in a third wave, when entering at the beginning of the third wave, taking profits in a third wave is usually a good time. Now, it's entirely up to you if you want to do this. I'm not telling you what to do. You also need to understand that there are different people who have, some people are trading on the lower time frame, some people on the longer time frame, some people just hodl. But for me, this is now a time where some profits could be taken to be on the safe side. There's other alternatives, moving up stop losses into profits. But for me personally, at the moment, this is not the time to buy in. I would buy in one of the next dips, potentially. I'm not someone who tries to chase green candles. You know that. We had several target areas here defined on the chart that were all long opportunities. Now we're in a possible reversal. Let's see if we react to it or if we push through it, which is possible as well. But at the moment, we are just consolidating in here. So again, the trend is your friend until the end. These are only ideal target areas. Now, bear in mind, we had basically a reversal area here, which worked out. We are now pushing into this one, which we are now in. We are now in this, possible reversal area. I might need to push, I might need to extend this further, but at the moment, I leave it, also because you have some interesting resistance here with this channel. Yeah, so this is a resistance level, an ascending trend line, ascending resistance basically. So this is certainly an interesting level, which is at $167. So primarily I would expect the move down from here based on the ideal Fibonacci extension levels, and then possibly one more push up in wave 5 of 1. What I don't know if this is really a 1-2-1-2 or if I need to move the wave 3 here. Both possibilities are there. It just depends on when is this trend getting exhausted. And if there is another wave 5 up, this could without a problem push into $185, $190 before we then come down. Irrespective of that, I'd wait personally for the wave 2 retracement to scale in. Yeah, I just want to give you an update here about Quant. Maybe before we finish, also because I had a few questions, sort of next all-time high targets, still have them on the chart from last time. All-time high targets would be at least, and Quant may, if it continues to do that, what it's doing at the moment, may exceed these. Minimum target would be $734. That is the wave 3, the larger wave 3, where we say that this here was a wave 1, this here was a wave 2. The wave 3 to the upside would push sort of to $734 at least. Could also push higher, maybe all the way up to nearly 900, the 200% extension. Then there will be a wave 4 down and another wave 5 up. That could, I think, without a problem push to $1,000. So certainly interesting. Quant, yeah, certainly has potential here. The chart looks interesting. I will keep you updated. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.